I didn't negotiate. Those 3, what did I pay for those 3? I went and said to the guy, by the way, because this is the trick, by the way, you gotta do before ever buying vintage stuff, every single time, to be able to get the stuff for good prices, you ask the people first, hey, do you know if these are complete? First line out of your mouth, every single time, whenever it's an open item. 90% of the time, like, I don't know, your negotiation power just went through the roof, because, oh, you don't know if it's complete? Well, I can't offer you what I normally would. They said to me, they went through all of them, and they said they were all complete. They were all in great shape. They said they've been sitting in the box forever. They looked at them yesterday and they're all complete. I'm getting ready to offer $50 a piece, or maybe, no, shoot, I was getting ready to offer $100. I was ready to go up to $50 a piece, 150. I was comfortable doing that. One of them was on eBay for like $350. So you don't ever say the first number. I said to them, do you know what you want for these? And the guy goes, I don't know, would you do $5 a piece? I'm like, yes! I said didn't give a shit. Whatever he said at that point, I'm like, yes. So I was like, yep. I said, no problem. Because I was going to negotiate to 10, but I was like, good, did it. I hand that guy a $20 bill as fast as a human being can hand a $20 bill. Got my change. He even helped carry it to the car. Yeah. And I was like, yep. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for helping to support my family.